RT-115B hydraulic press machine. This is pressurization. A is pressure, pressing the pressure plate downwards. B is rising up. The pressure plate rises upwards. When testing, it is necessary to switch between using a means to press down. The median indicates neutral gear. No response in neutral gear. Try not to waste materials and use them tightly. Probably at this location. Then place it on top of this pad. Push this position to the middle. Push it to the middle of this board. Then switch to a gear for pressurization. Then shake this handle. The pressure plate will press down. Pressure has arisen here. 5 MPa corresponds to 1,750 kilograms. After the force value is reached and the cutting is completed, switch to gear B and lift the pressure plate upwards. Then take out the sample. This is our test sample.